Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Rama. Today is another DIY video on how to grow fuller, thicker, longer hair, and we are making this herbal infused hair cream. It is water based and your hair needs hydration. Our curly hair needs water. We need to retain length, we need to stop breakage, we need water. So if you want to grow that fuller, thicker, longer hair, sometimes just oils are not going to get the job done. We also need to include water. Before we get started, please go ahead and click on that subscribe button, hit on that notification button as well so you do not miss any other video from me. Subscribing to my channel is a great way to support my channel and help me grow. So thank you guys so much for being here. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get started with this video. Alright guys, so I am going to just jump right into it. The first thing I am doing right now is preparing my oil face. I am going to be using an emulsifier today because this is a combination of water and oil, and because we do not want our cream to separate, we need an emulsifier. The one I'm using today is Btms 25. The next thing I'm using is cetyl alcohol. Cetyl alcohol will help us stabilize our cream. It is very moisturizing and it will also help thicken our cream as well. So it is time to add our butters. The first one I am adding a total of 3 butters here, just to restore, nourish, strengthen our hair follicles, restore moisture, retain moisture, which will help you retain length. Okay, I added shea butter, mango butter, and kokum butter, most of them in equal parts. So the next oil I'm adding is my herbal infused hair growth oil. I have a video on my channel on how I created this oil, so please go ahead and check it out and make it for yourself. Okay guys, so it is time to prepare our water phase. I want this cream to be as potent as possible, as effective for you guys. So I am going to infuse some of our ingredients into hot water. So the first one I put in that jar was some rosemary leaves. The next one I'm adding now is fenugreek seed. And the last one is some bay leaf. So I am going to put all this in a jar and I'm going to pour boiling hot water into it and let that sit for 1 hour in order to get all the benefits. So it's been an hour. I am going to go ahead and drain our little tea and get our water phase ready for our preparation. So our tea is ready. I am going to measure up the amount that I need, and just so you know, I will put all the information, all the measurements inside the description box so that you can refer to that for all the measurement that I used today. The next thing I'm adding to my tea is some honey. Honey is a natural moisturizer. When it comes to our hair, this will help us increase elasticity, which will also help us in reducing hair breakage. The next ingredient I will be adding is aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel is very important when it comes to growing healthy hair. This will strengthen your hair shaft, which will also increase elasticity and help reduce hair breakage. The next thing I did was to take our oil phase and our water phase into a double boiling method so that our oils will melt all together and our water will also warm up to the same temperature. The next thing you do after that is just combine both of these solutions and mix it together. Okay guys, so what I'm doing now is just blending our mixture together. Make sure everything is combined together very nicely, and you just want to keep mixing this until it cools down, because the cooler it gets, the thicker the cream will get, and you need patience for this phase. So you just want to exercise patience. Just keep mixing it until it will start thickening up. So at this point my cream has completely cooled down, and it is time now to add our preservative and other ingredients that are needed alone. A preservative is very important because we did use water in this cream. So in order to preserve it, if we're not going to use this at one time, we do need a preservative. So the next thing I'm adding is our vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil is an antioxidant and will preserve the oil phase in this cream. I also added a few drops of lavender oil. This is completely optional. You can add any fragrance oil of your choice that you would like, and this is completely up to you. At this point, what you need to do is just continue mixing your cream all together and making sure that everything is completely together in one unit. So guys, our cream is ready. If you're really suffering from hair breakage, not retaining length, you need a hair cream. You need something that contains water. You need something that has some kind of ability to help you retain moisture into your hair so that your hair will stop breaking. So it does not hurt, guys. Go ahead, and I know it might be a little bit of work with the emulsifiers and stuff. Just go ahead and try it. You can find these on those ingredients on Amazon. Grab some, come and just work something out for yourself to help your hair grow. And this will give you results as fast as 2 weeks of using this on your hair. You will start seeing your result. You will see how your hair feels different. It feels moisturized. You will see that your hair is getting stronger. So I really recommend that you try it and see for yourself. Alright guys, so if this is your first time here or you're just returning and you have not subscribed yet, please go ahead and click on that subscribe button, join the family. I will really appreciate it. Click on that notification button as well so you do not miss any other videos from me. In this channel I do DIY videos on hair and skin. I also share some few hairstyles here and there. So join the family, help my channel grow guys. Share with your friends and families. Give this video a thumbs up if you learn anything or you like anything about it, and I will really appreciate it. So I am demonstrating on my 2-year-old right now, and as you can see, this is her hair from before. She didn't have any hair in the back or on the side, but her hair has tremendously made an improvement. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate you guys being here, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.